What is a switch option in mutual funds? How to change your investment portfolio? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're investing in mutual funds, you might eventually want to adjust your portfolio. But how do you change your investments without having to sell everything and buy new units? The answer is switch option in mutual funds. In today's video, we'll break down what this option is and how it can help you manage your portfolio. What is a switch option in mutual funds? The switch option allows you to transfer your investment from one mutual fund scheme to another, all within the same fund house. So, if you want to switch from a large cap fund to a mid cap fund, or even from an equity fund to a debt fund, the switch option makes it easy. You don't need to redeem your existing units and repurchase new ones. Instead, you can simply make a switch to another fund, saving time and reducing paperwork. Why use the switch option? There are a few key reasons why the switch option can be useful. Changing investment strategy. If your goals change, for example, you're moving closer to retirement and want less risk, you can use the switch option to move from a higher risk equity fund to a relatively stable debt fund. Market conditions. If you feel that market conditions are shifting, switching between funds allows you to take advantage of better opportunities. For example, if equities are volatile, you might want to switch to a relatively stable debt fund. Rebalancing your portfolio. Over time, some funds in your portfolio may outperform others, throwing off the balance. A switch option helps you realign your investments to meet your target allocation. How to use the switch option? Using the switch option is pretty simple. 1. Log into your account. Go to your mutual fund account either online or through an app. 2. Select the switch option. Navigate to transaction page. You'll find a switch option in your portfolio section. 3. Choose the funds. Select the fund you want to switch from and the one you want to switch to. And 4. Confirm the switch. Review the details and confirm the transaction. The switch will be processed based on the current net asset value, that is NAV, of both funds. Before using the switch option, take into account the exit load. Some funds may charge an exit load if you switch before a specific period. In conclusion, the switch option is a quick and easy way to adjust your mutual fund portfolio without the hassle of selling and buying new units. Just be aware of any exit loads and tax implications before you make the switch. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.